Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing another crafty video, and what we are going to do today is I'm going to teach you on how to make a single chain loom bracelet. This is what a finished one looks like. Just put it on. That's what it looks like. And I'm just going to show you how to make them. So what you're going to be needing is, you can do as many colors as you like, but I'm only doing two, which I'm doing orange and pink. And just make sure you have more than enough for each color, because it depends on your wrist size of how many you're gonna need. So I'm just grabbing a bunch of each color and I'm going to put those aside. And this is a 2-peg tutorial, so if you have a pencil loom or anything that you have to make one of these, you can use that. But for today, I'm teaching you how to make it with your fingers. And yeah, that's it. So let's get started. Oh, I also just wanted to tell you guys that you also need a S-clip or a C-clip to do this. So now let's roll the clip. Right now, you're just going to take your first color loom band. In this case, I'm doing pink. And you're going to grab it on one finger. And you're going to cross it over and put it on your second finger. So it's on your pointer finger and your middle finger. So it looks like an 8. You can see that. And this is going to be your only band that you make look like an 8. The rest are just going to be normal single bands. So the next one you do, so I'm switching off my colors. So the next one I'm doing is orange. So I'm just going to put that on top of the pink. So it looks like that. So in the bottom, you have a crisscrossed pink, and then the top, you're not going to crisscross the orange. And then what you're going to do, the crisscross has a loop on each side, which is on each finger, and you're going to pull up each side like this. So now it should look like this. The next few steps are very easy, and to tell what color you're on, you're going to just see whatever color you just pulled up, you're gonna put on. So I just pulled up pink. So in this case, I'm gonna put on another pink. And the rest of them, once again, you're not crossing them. So these two are not crossed. Put the pink on top, and I'm just gonna pull up one side, and then I'm gonna pull up the second side. And I just pulled up orange. Right now it doesn't look like a bracelet, but it will once you do a lot. And since, like I said, since I just pulled up the orange, I'm gonna put a new orange band on and pull up the bottom pink. And you're always gonna pull up the bottom. If you want to like pause the video, you totally can, so you can definitely understand how to make one. See, and now it's starting to look like one. And I just pulled up pink, so I'm gonna grab another pink band, put it on, no twists, and I'm gonna pull up the bottom two orange bands. And you're basically just going to repeat that until you have the length of your wrist. Hi guys, as you can tell, I just finished my bracelet, and I counted my bands in case you were wondering. And if you have a pretty small wrist like I do, I used 25 bands in total. So that means I used 12 of one color and 13 of the other. So now I'll teach you how to connect your ends together. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one side of your bracelet, like this, and you're gonna put it on the same finger with the other side. And then you're gonna put both of your fingers in it to stretch it out. And then you're gonna take your S hook or C clip or whatever you're using to connect, and you're just going to hook it on one of the sides of this clip. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go to the other side that doesn't have the S clip and stretch out the end band between your two fingers, and you're just going to clip the S hook on like so. And there you have your beautiful bracelet. So I'll show you what it looks like on. This is what my bracelet looks like on. It's really pretty. Some of the bands are twisted, but I can easily fix that. It's when you put it on, they get twisted. But yes, that's what it looks like. Alright guys, that's it for today. Make sure to go check out my other crafty videos, and make sure to give a like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos to your friends and family. Bye. Have a great rest of your day.